Hi guys, welcome to our TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to remove image property and information in Windows 11 PC. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, I will show you very simple and easy method remove your image location. First of all, right click on image, then click on properties. In this, you can select details. Now you can see here remove properties and personal information. Click on this. You can see here create a copy with all possible properties removed. Remove following the properties from this file. You can select one option which one you want. For example, I select remove the following properties from this file. If you want, select one by one or select all. I select all. Then click on OK. That's it guys. This is a simple and easy method to remove image location and personal information in Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.